Alright, this is the Pearson Edexcel IL Mechanics 1 walkthrough, specifically from May of 2023. And this video will only cover question 1, because if I cover all of the questions, it will be like 2 hours long. So I think I will upload every problem individually. So let's start. Question 1. A particle A has mass 4 kg and a particle B has mass 2 kg, and they move in opposite directions along the same straight line. For these kind of problems, I recommend drawing them out. It's easier to visualize, I would say. Before the collision, the speed of A is 2u and the speed of B is 3u. And then immediately after collision, B is reversed. The direction of motion of B is reversed. So obviously, for these kind of questions, we're gonna use the conservation of momentum. So where do we start? MAUA plus MBUB equals MAVA plus MBVB. And then this is 4, this is 2u, this is 2, and then this is not 3u, this is negative 3u, because notice how this is the opposite direction, right? And let's just write a note here. We have to keep in mind the direction as we're going through this problem. And then this is 2u, and then we can solve for this, which is negative 2u equals 4va. So va equals negative 1/2 of u. And then well, we can't just write this as the answer. It's weird, but we have to write the speed of A immediately after collision is 1/2 of u. For some reason, we don't write negative in these kind of problems. Well, it's how they grade your paper. It's not up to me to decide. And the direction, of course, since we have a negative in our answer here, that means A is actually going backwards, because we know u, a positive u, is actually going to the right, towards this direction, right? As we just denoted. So for part B, we just write the direction of motion is reversed. I don't know if what I just said was understandable. Find, in terms of u, the magnitude of the impulse received by B in the collision. So for B, we have impulse equals plus or minus the weight, and then u minus v, or v minus u actually. Yeah, this is the formula. I don't think you have to write plus or minus actually. So it's 2 and then 3 minus negative 2. So that is 2 times 5 equals 10. U, there's a u here. Shit, I forgot to write u. Ms negative 1. No, the unit is wrong. This should be Newton seconds. Yeah. And I think that is the answer. Yeah, it's quite easy for this problem.